G'day team, Petey checking in with an unboxing. This time we've got the UCINNOVATE stereo cable. This is an Amazon special. It's 2 3-meter Hifi oxygen-free cables with the gold plugs. So I saw these and I think they look pretty sweet because I'd never seen the cables with the right angles. So this is going to be going into an NAD desktop, well, small, I think it's called a V2 3020 amp, to drive some KEF bookshelf speakers. Righto, so that's it with the box. Just a standard cardboard box here. Then we've got the actual cables. They're in like a foil pouch. Not really much to that. Righto. Yeah, right, so we get like this cleaning cloth. That's pretty cool. Never seen that with cables. Must be to clean the banana plug ends. Yeah, sweet. And then we've actually got, it's cool when they put these little details, the Velcro cable management ties. I think this is 13 org. $14 org. Yep, so it's just up there. 14 org speaker cable. Not too sure how many mil that is, but yeah, it looks pretty solid. That's sweet. And these are the banana ends. Yeah, right. Look pretty good. They're definitely a metal. They feel solid. And then there's this collar, which looks like an anodized aluminium, and that spins. So yes, they look pretty sweet, and it's got flares out. It's probably about as big as your thumb. It was about that big. So whether you want to run red, positive, black, negative. Oh yeah, look, it's actually even embossed on there. So you can see in there, there's a slight emboss of a positive symbol, which that's pretty cool, good detail. And then this is just heat shrink. Same thing for the black cable, a bit of branding. You can see that's got a negative symbol embossed into the heat shrink. Once again, got this aluminium spinny ring. That's actually threaded. It feels like a thread because that's biting down tight now. And then the other end of the cable are straight end banana plugs. So I wanted these right angles to go into the back of the speaker, so they go straight down instead of flying out, because you're going to see these on the desk with the computer. So clear heat shrink just to keep it nice. Same thing with these guys too, but they're just straight. Same size. Oh yeah. So these collars actually spin off. That's cool. These ones, this time they're gold. I wonder if that pulls apart. No, that's fixed. So I think if you want to bare wire, just cut it. Unless that does come apart and I'm not doing something right. Feels pretty solid though. It's a pretty coarse thread. It goes on pretty easy. Sweet as. It's got these little raised lugs, probably make it easier to grab, or actually that's going to be the screw which screws down from the housing to bite the cable. So yeah, so they look pretty sweet. Got some branding on the heat shrink on this end here. I think the cables have some very faint markings on them. Highly flexible loudspeaker cable, OFC, so oxygen free. Doesn't actually give you a gauge, and then it's saying the same thing again. Righto, so that's pretty cool. So that is the Ucinnnovates. Look forward to giving those a go. They look pretty sweet. Yeah, I'll check back in to let you know how they go. Righto team, hope you have an awesome day.